another video. In today's video, as you can probably tell by the title, ever since I got my car built or all the work done, I haven't given any of my friends a ride. So I'm actually about to go pick one of my boys up, and I'm about to take him for a little spin, show him what the car do. I'm eager to get his reaction, see, you know, hopefully he likes it and shit, but we got a little walk around. Damn, nigga, you hella tall. I forgot you barely fit in this. So you gotta stay more on this side because they see you more on this side. Oh, like, you're good right here. Like, he's right here.
Okay. Whenever you do it,
huh? Yeah, you about to be on YouTube, boy. Okay, guys.
I'm about to get on that.
Wait, nah. What's the fastest car you been in?
Probably this.
Where's Love at?
Love? Like I can feel
you feel it right now too. It's like there's a little lump every time you go. Don't get me copyrighted. You need me copyrighted, buddy? Oh shit. So how'd you like the ride along, buddy?
It was fucking fast, bro. Like, why'd you go that way?
Because there's traffic everywhere coming this way.
Bro, yeah, you should just gone this way and came back. I don't know. It would have been way faster. That's what
I know it would have been faster. It was just hella cars going that way. We was trying to go fast.
Like, you gonna teach me like how to drive this shit?
Yeah, bro. You going to teach you how to drive stick next video?
Bro,
burn my clutch.
Maybe do it. I'm learning how to drive manual and
Alright, y'all. That's really it for this video. I just want to take my boy for a ride because he hasn't been in this car ever since it was really stock pretty much. And I'm gonna do a couple other ride-alongs that are longer and better. We kind of did this at the wrong time because traffic started to hit, but we still got a couple pulls in and got his reaction. Thanks for tuning in and watching the video. Please hit that like and subscribe if you guys like the content, and I'll catch you guys next video.